Hello everyone. Today we are going to do technical analysis which based on Fibonacci retracement since I consider that this is one of the most significant tools in somebody's technical analysis because it can be reliable if the levels that actually somebody can draw are absolutely correct. And the company that I will show you this strategy is PayPal. Let's start with PayPal's chart. Just keep in your mind that a good Fibonacci retracement can be drawn after a good downtrend. As you can see here, a good downtrend is here because if we can calculate this percentage is almost 12% as you can see here in chart. So this can be a good Fibonacci retracement somewhere here at this level. So let's check better the stock price of this company. Okay, we can use the Fibonacci retracement. We'll start here and put the zero sum here. Right now, I would like from you to use exactly the same levels that I use in my chart. So just copy all of these levels. You can here extend lines right because somebody can use this strategy for long term and it can be helpful for him or for her, of course. So and let's check what can happen on this right now. You can see that right now we have a good downtrend, okay? And then we just, the price has a huge uptrend here. This calculation can be almost 7%, okay? And the price just came down again and test this level here. Actually, the level here is the golden zone. It's our golden zone, which actually can be the best time for somebody to buy the stock for long term. Okay, so as we can see, it's a good time for somebody to get into this company. Fine, and somebody can think that okay, our stop loss can be somewhere here at this point or a little bit percentage down of here because there are some moments in stock market that the stock price can just touch your stop loss and go back again. So take into consideration all of that information because all of this is significant. Okay, and keep going. Actually, can somebody open a price here? And actually, we can see that the days just going on, and here we have a bearish momentum somewhere here. And right now, just remember that I told you previous moments ago that you have to put your stop loss some pips below this price. If we actually put our stop loss at this level right here, the our position could be closed because touch this level and go further, go higher. So it could be a good idea if we're gonna see this pattern a little bit further. And as we can understand, if we're gonna check the candlesticks better, we can see that there is a good horizontal level right here. Okay, fine. So let's check the price better. Okay, perfect. And at this time, we can actually give the price, give the area to price to come a little bit down at this spread. Or maybe it can be better some here because actually we provide an area in our price to do a fake breakdown. But some of investors and traders actually figure out that all of the brokers can adjust their spreads, which can depend on our prices, on our exits, on our entries. Of course not, but actually we have right now the capability to do something like that. So I'm actually advised that your stop loss can be a little bit down if you actually have a long term, or it'll be higher if you go in a short term position. And as you can see, let's keep going at this price. Right now, some can check it better, this pattern here, and think that, okay, we can check that there is a good flag pattern. And absolutely, this investor, this trader is right because this flag is actually something like that. Okay, perfect. And right now, have a good breakout. As you can see, it's similar. Okay, perfect. It's absolutely similar. These patterns one to other. Okay, perfect. And think that there is a good breakout. As we can see here, perfect. The price touched this level again, and can see that for people who actually take this profit about 3.7%, it's okay. He actually can close the price. But there are people who are actually waiting for the price to come here at this level, or could be come here at this level too, because it's a good percentage for the prices to come at this higher level. So okay, let's draw again our pattern. Okay, perfect. So actually provide the price to do enough time at this level that actually we would like to go, because our price will not just touch our stop loss, which as I said before, it can be some here, okay, at 70 at $57. So anyway, just keep going and see that the price have some difficulties. These difficulties can actually depend on some news or about exchanges or maybe index. There are plenty of news that actually can manipulate the price. But at last we can see that the price touched again this level here, the golden zone. So there are people who actually could again take the long-term position here and put their some loss, as I said, some here. Okay, perfect. It's nice mining, or to actually to go to buy again at this price, because can have a good increase if the price go as he actually would like to go. And just illustrate in your mind that we have a good possibility for an uptrend right here. Although we actually see that the price have some difficulties, but it's okay. It's actually how the stock market works. So don't be afraid of this and be authentic, because think in your mind that you have your intention that the price can go as higher as you want to go. Okay, so we're seeking for a good breakout, and as we can see, the good breakout came here after. You can check it better if you will use the tools after 1 month, almost 1 month. Okay, it's a big time because actually we are in 4 time frame period, and as we can see here, the price absolutely touched our prices here. Not only the $62 and 63 too. So the people who actually took a long position at this level have about 10% increase, which actually a very good potential, a very good percentage. If you consider that this position just took somebody about 1 month or 2 months, almost 2 months. Okay, so as you can understand, give at the stock price enough place to test some levels that actually somebody could not take into consideration that they exist, but have to think it better, have to just to look at this price, good look at the chart pattern better, because there are some perfections. So the traders actually wouldn't like to sacrifice a little bit more percentage of their portfolio, and as a result they contempt their analysis, and the actually the positions can be closed easier than they can imagine. So my advice right here is just to believe in your analysis, show tolerance in stock price, and be realistic in every position that actually you would like to open. Thank you very much. Goodbye.